Association for Democratic Reforms has dragged the government to Supreme Court over its alleged misuse of foreign funding laws. The organisation claims that the centre is using foreign funding laws to target NGOs. Incidentally, this was the same NGO which won a case at Delhi High Court against Congress and BJP for receiving foreign funds in 2014. Ashmit Kumar is here with more details. Ashmit, take us through the details of this, please.
Well, as you rightly pointed out, the Delhi High Court has in fact held this matter against Congress and the BJP. The concern that was raised before the Delhi High Court was the same concern that was expressed today. Again, it's by the NGO, ADRO, Association of Democratic Reforms. Their primary concern, they believe, they're arguing, is that these parties, the main two parties, that's the Congress and the BJP, receive funding from companies with fully owned subsidiaries of Sterlite, which is in violation of the FCRA norms. Now, what's interesting is that the Delhi High Court, in fact, in a scathing indictment of both these parties, had in fact held for these contributions received by both these parties to be illegal, and subsequently had directed the Home Affairs Ministry as well as the Election Commission to take action against them within 6 months. Now, mind you, this order of the Delhi High Court had come way back in 2014, and since then no action has been taken, and that was the concern expressed today by the ADR before the Apex Court. The NGO today argued that FCRA norms that are currently in place are being used widely by the current government to persecute and to harass NGOs, but those very same norms are not being applied to the two parties in question with respect to foreign donations from foreign companies, which is in clear violation of FCRA. Furthermore, what the NGO today argued is that the Delhi High Court order has been sought to be frustrated by both these parties by inaction on part of both of them, and also pointing a finger at the current dispensation, saying they are stalling the implementation of the FCRA norms. Nonetheless, the Supreme Court for now has agreed for urgent hearing in this matter, has placed the matter for further hearing on September 14th, and what's critical here is that it has warned all sides, including the Congress, including the BJP, that the Supreme Court will not tolerate pleas seeking adjournment. So there will be no adjournment. September 14th is when the Supreme Court begins hearing in this case.
All right, so we'll get more